Hi friends, welcome to Tech Touch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix this page is not available right now in Facebook. So before I start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, if you also facing this error, then I will show you how to fix this problem. First of all, check your Facebook up to date or not. For that, you need to open your Google Play Store. Then search here Facebook. If your Facebook not up to date, then update from here. After updating, go back, go to the settings, then search here apps, then search here Facebook, press on force stop, press on force stop, press on storage, then press on clear cache. After doing this, check your problem solved or not. If not, wait for some time. If any Facebook issue, then automatically resolve your problem. That's it guys. So in this way you fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.